Hello and welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, let's make this egg biryani, a satisfying main dish you can build a variety of menus around. Flavorful, spicy, fragrant rice layered with fried onions, raisins and eggs. As this recipe video is a bit long, I'm going to add the ingredient list in written form. So, here are the ingredients. To make the egg biryani, first let's fry the garnishes. Place a frying pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Break the onion slices and fry them until they are golden brown. Once they are done, transfer them to a bowl. Next, with the same oil, fry the raisins until they are plump and then transfer them to a separate bowl. If you are garnishing with cashews, you can shallow fry them as well. The next step would be preparing the eggs for the biryani. Hard boil the eggs with a tablespoon of vinegar, let them cool and peel the shells. The eggs are ready. With a knife, gently make slits over the surface of the egg on all sides. Make 3 slits per egg. Set them aside. Next, let's prepare the spice paste for the eggs. In a small bowl, mix in red chilli powder, turmeric powder with some water to make a paste. Once you have the smooth paste, roll each of the eggs in the paste. Then, using the same oil you used to fry the garnishes, shallow fry the eggs until they are golden and crispy. You can add extra oil if you need. Once the eggs are fried, transfer the crispy golden eggs to a bowl. Now that you have all the prep work done, let's cook the biryani rice. Place a large, wide-mouthed pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Break down the onion slices to separate and add to the heated oil. Cook until soft for a few minutes. Add the minced ginger and garlic, followed by green chillies. Let the ingredients turn soft. Then add the cumin seeds. Cook for a few seconds. Add the cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, bay leaf to the pan. Season with salt, reduce heat and add the red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Cook over low-medium heat for a few seconds. And then add the yogurt. Combine well with the spices. Once you have the masala paste ready, add the washed and soaked rice. Now one thing you must remember, avoid over soaking the rice. The basmati rice just needs 10 to 12 minutes of soaking. Once you add the rice, gently combine the rice with the spice paste over low-medium heat. Pour in the water. Gently stir the rice and the water. And then add the coriander and mint leaves. Season with salt and mix well. Cover and slow simmer over medium heat until the water visibly reduced from the surface of the rice. Since there is more liquid at the bottom, reduce heat to low, cover and continue to cook the biryani. Once the rice is cooked, gently turn over the rice with a flat spoon and let the rice rest for 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Now that you have the biryani ready, transfer the rice to a large platter. Spread the fried onions over the rice. And then the raisins. Place the eggs over the rice and serve. And this is your fragrant and delicious egg biryani. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon with another great recipe you can try.